Good morning. We've almost finished with the electrical installation, so we've pulled in kilometers and kilometers of cables, almost 500 meters of internet cable, Ethernet, and but it's coming together. We've just got a few more to do. The bar area we've got to do, and once that's done we can move on to a few other jobs like getting the base of the house finished. We've got to waterproof this. The shed has to be finished, and we can start on building up the layers of the floor, so putting an insulation layer in and gravel to cover all of the pipes. So we've got enough to do. That's the injured cooling pipe. We're going to cut it in half and insert a repair patch. So this is how far we got with the shed. We've got to do the roof. Things are secured with brace beams, and we're going to do the last kind of supporting beams on the roof. So we just got the silo from the plasterers gone. Truck came to pick that up this morning, and we're working again on the garden shed. So we've got a bit of time. It's not a priority job, but we're done now with the electrics. It's about 99%, and next week we'll get the gravel for the first floor layer. If that makes sense. Gravel is basically going in a small amount, covering all the pipes.